Hello and welcome to this video in the Lockdown Learning series where we're going to take a look at the free orchestra from ProjectSAM. So this is a brilliant gigabyte library of cinematic sounds for Kontakt. So there's two parts to this. Firstly, there's actually getting hold of the free orchestra, and secondly, importing a library into Kontakt. So we're going to be doing this over a few videos because there are some others we're going to look at, although there aren't that many free libraries available for the Kontakt player, so often they time out after 15 minutes for no doubt technical reasons. But anyway, I'm going to take you through the process of getting this sorted out. So first things first, go on to projectsam.com/libraries/the free orchestra. I'll put a link in the description and we're going to download it. So naturally you have to log in to download, so I'm going to click that. I'm going to create an account. So naturally you have to confirm that in the email. I'll leave you to do that. That's fairly straightforward. And once you've done that, you'll be able to log in. And now you'll actually be able to download it. So again, we're going to go back to the page where we had the download of the free orchestra. And as you can see, you can click Get Now. So I'm going to click Get Now. Have to read and accept the terms. And click Get Now. And you can see that serial number has been added in to the account. And I'm going to download it through the browser. So this is just going to download the file via Google Drive. So you can see it's 555 megs. Get a warning about it being too large to be able to scan. And you're going to save this. So this is just going to get saved into the downloads folder of my computer. It'd be exactly the same if you're on Windows. Obviously, this will take a while to download depending on your download speed. Once you've finished downloading, you'll have a zip file like this. So on the Mac, you can just double click it to unzip. On Windows, it's right click and then the menu to extract all. I'm going to just extract these. You'll get the same files regardless of what platform you're on. So you can see we've got this ProjectSAM folder and the free orchestra native instrument there, and then the other folders there. So you need to put this somewhere sensible. So obviously you don't want to leave it in your downloads folder. Where you want to put it is up to you. If you've got a computer with multiple drives, etc., you might want to put it somewhere on a dedicated drive, etc. I'll leave you to do that, but don't just leave it in your downloads folder or on your desktop or something like that. So I'm going to create a folder just in this case, in my documents, because this is a computer with multiple users on there. So I'm going to have libraries, and then I'm going to put it in there. So now that's there ready. Say wherever you decide to put it is up to you. Now, the next thing you need to do is you need to add it to your Kontakt library. So this is done in native access. So we need to run native access and sign in. Again, same whether you're on PC or on Mac. If you followed the earlier video, you'll have all these in here because these all come as part of your free native instruments installation. But we need to add the serial here, and that's given in the ProjectSAM user area as seen here. And then paste it in, and you click Add Serial. And you'll see that might take a bit of time depending on what's going on. Generally, it happens reasonably quickly. And you can see you've successfully registered the free orchestra. Next, we go to the products not installed area because it doesn't know that you've installed it or where it's installed. So you click View Products Not Installed, and here we go. What we need to do now is to tell it where this is. Okay, so you click Add Library, and then we need to tell it where it is with Browse. So I'm going to click Browse, tell it where I put it, which is in Libraries, and then click Open. Click Install, and you see it installs it pretty quickly because all it's got to do is just scan and check that all those files are actually where they should be. Now, once we've done that, we are ready to go. So now we can quit native access and we can quit our browser, and then in Cubase, you can see we have the free orchestra. So that's already appeared, even though I already had Cubase open and had Kontakt already open. It's updated straight away. So now we have the free orchestra, and we can click on instruments and we can see we have these. We can also click on multis, which will be bigger and are multiple sets of instruments together. So let's just load up short strings, just double click that, and we can see we are already there. There we are with our short strings, etc. So that's how to get that up and running. So in the next few videos, we're going to look at some other libraries that you can add to Kontakt, but that's a particularly worthwhile one. So there's some great sounds in here, and ProjectSAM's non-free libraries are obviously truly fantastic. But just to get into these kind of things, I think that's worth a look. Say a run through on how to install it, etc., and get set up. I hope you found that useful, and we'll see you again soon.